How to stop Instagram from saving posts to camera roll. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop Instagram from saving posts to your camera roll on the Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then once you're on your Instagram, you have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. And then here tap on menu in the top right corner, and in menu tap on settings, and here in settings tap on account. In account scroll down and tap on original posts. So you have to turn all of this off. So if you turn this first option off, the Instagram automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed to your camera roll. So Instagram will not save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. If you turn this option off, both Instagram will not save posted photos and videos. And this is how you can stop Instagram from saving posts to your camera roll. Thanks for watching.